That's an interesting question. Honestly, the best way to do that is with a coach. But it depends if you're ready for a coach or not. I think I'm so glad I had my experience before I started getting coached. Because if a coach starts throwing out some world-class content or concepts or techniques, you're not necessarily going to understand them. So they can help you with that one speech, which isn't bad. But I realized I was so glad I had the fundamentals down. So when I started working with a coach, it made more sense. And it permeated through all my different presentations and different stories. So getting a coach is one of the fastest ways to get there, but not everyone can afford a one-on-one coaching. It's not cheap. And then the other challenge is, who's a good coach? And what's their strength? And does their strength match my challenges, my weaknesses? And that's really an even deeper and more important question.